Hello traders and welcome to our live trading session videos. Tunopan here, founder of Master the Markets A-Trace Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are in terms of pattern recognition. Okay, today I just want to teach you a little bit on pattern recognition. You can see over here I'm looking for this pattern here. So it's broken out of the lower stretch line. Now what it's now doing is it's retracing now upwards. However, what I'm looking for is for it to continue back in its downward direction, because here is the opening price and I'm expecting it for it to carry on in forming this bigger range from the open to the downside for the day and the stretch remaining for the upside. Okay, remember that in our previous videos I've mentioned this before, that there is two parts to the bar. One is the distance from the open, that's to here today, to the high over there. So let me just correct that a little bit. Okay, so just like that. And then currently right now from the open all the way to the bottom, this one it's doing. Okay, I'm expecting that to carry on further so that eventually you're going to get a bar with its open price here just a little bit high and coming back all the way down. So you can see that forming now in a consolidated fashion in the daily time frame. So let me show that, and that's the bar that is forming at the moment. Okay, so we are projecting for that to go further down, take out this low, go further down, hit our target, which would be the range for the day, and form this bar. Okay, so I'll wait and see patiently how that forms along. Do we get our order fill or not? Or maybe then might not be this one, might be then another trade. Okay, so we'll wait and see how that comes along. Okay, hello traders. As you can see now, the trade has progressed further. As you can see over here, we still have our entry points over here, but of course the stop loss needs to change. You see over here, as of now, what we have is a big green bar that has taken out the highest point of the day, but still not breached the upper stretch line. Okay, so where's the stretch still going to be for today? Is it now this is our stretch, and still it's going to come back in our direction? The only way to do that is by putting pending orders, which we have put over here, which is the entry point over there as well, and will be still keeping our stop loss at this point as well. But we'll be reviewing it every 1 hour to see how the trade progresses, what price patterns happens, and we also know price projection as well over here as well. So if we do see, for example, this red bar, if it extends further and does like what we call a primary, then we may move our entry line to move further to that red bar. Okay, so that's what we might be doing. Okay, so we will keep analyzing it and keep updating you guys so that you guys can learn as well, and then you guys can use that also in your own trading to help you achieve consistent performance. So I'll pause the video here and let's see how the trade comes along. Okay traders, as you can see over here, now the trade has progressed. But however, you see the initial entry that we had in our stop never got triggered, and now it's gone on the opposite direction but never took out the upper stretch line. Now if you were to correlate that with the daily, that's the range that is done for today, 55 pips so far. And in terms of the 70-80% range, it's not hit that. 70%, that's almost 56, that's what we got today. And I believe that's almost dead for today because it's almost going to 4-5 p.m. when the volume starts to drop off. So what we'll do, we'll cancel that trade. We don't have any trade. The good news is that we didn't get triggered, we didn't get in the opposite side, we didn't lose any money. Some days are going to be like that. That's why one of the critical skills to master as a professional trader is patience. So wait for the really good trades, just like how we had on the 8th of December. That was really some really awesome trades that we had where all 3 trades hit target. Okay, so that's all for today in terms of looking at pattern recognition, patterns, quantifying them, and also how to put your pending orders in real time and waiting patiently for your range to be hit in terms of your stretch and your bigger range from open concepts. Alright, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.